Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. If it's your first time here, welcome. I'm Mallory. Go ahead, subscribe. In today's video, we'll be reviewing the new Protect Your Energy mini palette by Essence Beauty. In yesterday's video, we reviewed part 1 with the Trust Your Intuition palette, and now the Protect Your Energy is here. I told you guys, have no fear. Have no fear, Protect Your Energy is here. So if you're interested in watching me create a look with this palette, and I'm gonna give you guys my final thoughts and a comparison of the two at the very end, please just keep on watching. Okay, so just like the last palette,
technical difficulty.
So wow, the sound just like completely cut off like halfway through the video. So sorry guys. The sound will come back at the end, but for now we'll just have to voice it over. So I'll do my best to voice over what I think I was telling you guys in the video. So just like in the Trust Your Intuition palette, this palette opens up just like a book. It's very cute. On one side it says, be kind to your mind, and the other side says, trust your vibes, love your energy, which 100%, we are 100% just here for the vibes, all good vibes. The shade names in this palette are very cute. We have meditation, awareness, spirituality, manifestation, and we have that half and half shade called self-care. We had one just like this in the Trust Your Intuition palette too. Super cool. I do think that we went ahead and skipped the self-care shade as a transition shade and moved straight to meditation as a transition shade and started to pack that into the crease. We're actually taking the shade meditation, not manifestation, and I'm putting that on the crease with a e.l.f. blending brush. As you can see, we have a ton of pigment and we're using just a little bit of product, which is the exact opposite of what we saw in the Trust Your Intuition palette. We had to really build on with the colors, but with this palette the shades are looking pretty good. So I'm going to repeat the same on the other side, and again giving us a ton of pigment, but we did get a little bit of fallout, which is the trade-off, I guess. Next we're taking a Morphe FF4 or FF5 brush, I can't remember, and we're going into the dark shade of Self-Care. I think that we did try to blend these two shades together before blending them on to the crease, but that's absolutely pointless because Self-Care was super dark. Proceed with caution while using this shade because it is very pigmented, very dark. I know that I like dark eyeshadow looks, but I know everybody doesn't. But as you can see, we have a ton of fallout happening with this shade as well. I guess that to have really good pigment, we have to have a ton of fallout. So yeah, just ignore that. That's the trade-off. We get it. We're gonna move on to the inner corner, blend that across the crease. And we're trying to do a halo eye with this look, so that's where we're going with it. I'm going back in with the e.l.f. eyeshadow blending brush to blend these two shades together to make sure that we have a seamless blend, because with us going that dark, we definitely need to make sure that the blend is on point. So I'm going to blend it back and forth between these two brushes until we get a seamless blend. But looking at it, you guys, it is absolutely gorgeous. The shades are blended together perfectly. The pigment is insane, and so far so good. So far much better than the Trust Your Intuition. I'm going to repeat the same steps on the other side, starting with that FF4 or 5 brush, whichever it is. Bringing it in the outer corner, dragging it across the crease, and putting it on the inner corner as well. And next we're going back in with that e.l.f. blending brush to blend the two shades together for that seamless blend. Now I'm taking a eyeshadow base to free up some space for whichever shade we're going to use on the lid. I want to say that this eyeshadow base is from Colourpop, and I'm just going to clean up that area so that we can start using the shimmers on the lid. For lid color, I'm going in with Manifestation first. This shade was definitely giving us a ton of pigment, giving us a lot, which is a little bit of product. It was definitely giving, look at that. Look at that. It is shimmering. You can see it from Mars. It is definitely like, we manifested this. It's great. Next, I'm going to take the shade Spirituality, and I tried to use that on the outsides of this shade Manifestation to give us more dimension with this halo eye look. But with this shade, this one was giving too little with a lot of work, and that's not what we're here for. We're here for a soft life, not hard work. So that was just definitely not giving spirituality. No. Next, I'm going back in with that FF4 or 5 brush, and I'm just going back over the areas that we put it to begin with to make sure that that pigment is still standing out and to cover up whatever spirituality messed up, because again, that shade sucked. Out of the whole palette, I want to say that that one was my least favorite because it definitely should have showed up better than that, and it gave us like literally nothing. Now at this point, we have used all the shades in the palette. Only thing that's left to use is Awareness, and we're going to use that in our inner corner. This is like a burnt orange shimmer, I would say. It's a very beautiful shade. It is definitely not adding much to this look because I feel like Manifestation was definitely the star, how it showed up so bright on our lid. But it's cute. It's cute, like a little cute accent piece. It was, you know, nothing to write home about, but it was cute. It definitely added something to the look. But now the sound will return in 3, 2, 1. This look is definitely giving daytime glam. It's very, very cute. Even like a cute date night look, maybe. I don't know. Final thoughts on the Protect Your Energy palette. I think it speaks for itself. It's cute. She's cute. She's giving. It's definitely giving fall time, especially for me with this look. It's definitely giving fall vibes, but very, very cute. Like, I definitely feel like a baddie today. Now, what I will say about the Protect Your Energy palette, the fallout was crazy. Fallout was insane with this shade, the weird one, Self-Care. Fallout was crazy on this shade. Spirituality did not give enough. Manifestation gave a lot, and so did Awareness. So I do really like this palette. Now, if you're wondering which one you should get out of the two, should you get the Protect Your Energy or the Trust Your Intuition, I would have to say definitely Protect Your Energy. Trust Your Intuition, we had some patchy moments and it took a lot. Like how I kept saying, it's giving us a lot with a little bit of product. It was the complete opposite with Protect Your, or Trust Your Intuition. I don't know why I keep getting this name mixed up. That is all I have for you guys today. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And if you haven't been told already, try to protect your energy, seriously, because girl, I feel like 2024 is going to be a weird year for a lot of reasons. The election, there's a lot of weird stuff in the news, aliens, I mean, whatever. Just try to protect your energy this year. Thank you guys so much for watching. Let me know what you guys think about this look in the comment section below, and you guys will see my face in the next one.